it's William with the Riverstone Life. You know what? We got another review. Hover X1. The reason I'm going to review this is because everybody keeps asking, hey, William, what are you using for your drone footage in your videos? Usually, I'm not using nothing. If you look back, I got that camera right there on time lapse. That's the Insta360 X4 that I use to pretend I got a drone, because I can grab that stick, walk around the area real quick, and get my drone footage and back in the truck and on the road, because I'm about making money too, guys. You know, so that's the one I use most time. But I'm going to tell you this one, because this is the one to have if you don't want to spend a lot of money. You don't have to have any skills. I'll show you how to use this thing in this video, how easy it is. It's on sale right now, this time of the year, $2.99 on Amazon, okay? Also, I want to tell you guys something. I screwed up my last review on this DJI, let's get that right, DJI Pocket 3. I have a video out there. It's a camera that's filming this right now. So if you come across this video and you go, wow, that's some pretty good footage, nice sound with the microphone and everything, it's a DJI Pocket 3 and I have a video out there. But like an idiot, I said DJI. It's hard for me when I think about it. I can't even say DJI. It's DJI. It comes natural to me. I don't know what I was thinking, guys. I'm pretty busy, so sometimes I screw up. Robin says, should I remove the video? I said, hell no. These guys need to know that when I put something out, I put it out even if I screw it up, okay? The video's out there. It's going to stay out there forever, you know? For some reason, William said DJI instead of DJI. I even have DJI stickers on my truck. I don't know, guys. Content creator, right? This is what we do. Sometimes we screw up, okay? Just so you guys know, I do have a DJI Pocket, no, DJI Mini Pro 3 drone that I use. But believe it or not, it's expensive. I don't like to use it sometimes because every time I take it out, somebody says you can't fly a drone or I'm in a restricted area. That's why I got that camera right there, the Insta360 X4, because I can make it look like I'm doing a drone, but I'm not. It gives you that cool intro when I do our videos, and that's what it's for. But sometimes this one, you know, you're with me and Robin, or want to do a walk up to a ravine or something like this, I can use this camera. I can do all that same footage. But sometimes when I'm in such a hurry, I can grab that Insta360 X4. But if you got a family and kids and all that type of stuff, or you just want to have a drone without spending a lot of money, then the Hover X1, okay? And it's $2.99 on Amazon right now. So let's open this up. Now remember, just the drone is $2.99. You buy the extra battery pack, you'll spend some more money, another $20 some for the case. So I probably got $400 in mine, okay? But let's just take a look at this thing, guys. I mean, the reason I got this is because when I travel overseas, I want something like this. And this fits in my pocket and I can sneak it into areas. Yeah, you know what I mean. But you pop it out. It's been a while since I've even used it. So let's see if I can remember how to do it. Got a charge battery in it. It's got pre-settings right here. So let's power it on. Okay. And you do everything right from your hand on this thing. So it's got hover mode. Okay, so we're going to do hover. Then I think I just... Continue hover. Okay, that's all it is. See? It's in a hover mode. And that's all it's going to do in this hover mode, but it will follow me. Hopefully you guys can still see me in the video. I know you can hear me. We got the Insta360 X4 right there, filming everything. We got the Hover X1 filming everything. I got my microphone with my Pocket 3 DJI. Let's get that right. Okay, so you can see this is what William uses to do all his videos. And this is all I need, okay? So you got $4.99, $300, $519. So for what, 100 bucks? Yeah, $1,500, I got my whole film crew, okay? And that's all you need to do any kind of cool stuff you want to do. I mean, all right, so watch this. Take our hand, put it underneath the drone, lands right in, okay? Then we can come up here and we can do different programs. We can click this, we can go follow, it'll follow me. Let's try follow once. You have to have no experience, guys. I mean, you take it out of the box, it pretty much talks to you, tells you everything you want to do. You can make it go farther away, closer to you, stuff like that. You can change some of the distances, but watch this. I'm pretty sure it's following me, right, guys? I mean, is this awesome or what? And you can make it so it's up higher, so it's, you know, not where it's right behind me like that, in case you're in an area where you're worried about it hitting something. Let's try to get it over here because it doesn't have all the safety stuff like some of the expensive drones do. Okay, that's what we got. Now we're gonna walk up to it and see if we can land it back in our hand. And that's what we did there. You see how simple that is? Now let's go. Let's try something different.
Orbit.
Orbit? Okay, let's do an orbit. Oh, yeah. I can't remember what orbit is, but we'll figure it out.
13 feet. Orbit.
13 feet orbits. You can change the difference on the orbit. Let's hope it don't hit that camera. Look at that. It knows there's something there. I didn't even plan that, guys. I mean, come on, check that out. Let's hope it don't hit the truck now, right? Let's just see what happens here. Is it gonna hit the truck? Look at that. Okay. It's coming right back to me. So it does have some safety stuff.
Current surface is not suitable for flight positioning. Please fly in a location with better ground texture.
I mean, it even scolds you, you know what I mean? All right, the camera's lost me. Let's see if it can find me again. Active track's back on. I messed it all up when I moved the camera, but is that crazy or what? So let's just see what the next one does.
Bird eye.
Bird eye. Let's try bird eye.
23 feet. Bird eye. Custom. Hover. Zoom out. Follow. Orbit. Bird eye. 30 feet.
Okay, I did bird eye 30 feet. Let's see what happens, guys. I mean,
30 feet.
is this an awesome little drone? So small, fit in your pocket, taking on any of those family adventures. That's why I wanted to bring this stuff to you guys. I just think this thing is awesome. For the amount of money, it's right above me. I don't know what it's doing, but okay, it's going straight up. And the whole time it's doing this, it's recording all the footage around me. And it will be in this video. It'll either be in the beginning of it or the end. I'm not sure where I'll put it yet, but I will put all the footage in there. It is straight up above us right here. I don't know if I can turn active. Let's just see if I can. I don't want to screw, no, it's coming right back down. I don't want to screw this camera up. I like you guys to see the full effect of it, but it just went straight up, does a bird eye view, and then it comes right back down. I mean, it's pretty cool, isn't it? Okay, let's see what else we got here.
Custom.
Custom, you can do some custom stuff.
Snapshot.
Snapshot, I haven't played with a lot of that stuff yet.
Hover.
Okay, we did the hover.
Zoom out.
Let's hold the zoom, and I think you just hold the button.
5 feet.
5.
Zoom out. 10 feet.
So you just keep
Zoom
holding
out.
10 feet.
20 feet.
Okay, we're gonna
out.
zoom out 20 feet. Let's see what that does.
20 feet. Zoom out.
Not sure what it's doing, but there it goes. Hopefully you guys will walk out that way so maybe it'll still picture it. Then it should come right back to me. I usually like to just make it go around and do the whole view area, or I like it to follow us. That's pretty much the two modes I do. A lot of these other ones I haven't played with. You just stick your hand under. I mean, see guys, you got no controller. You got nothing. It's got its programmable stuff. So it's just made for simple shots. And a lot of times when you're making a video, all you need is a simple shots. And when you put them all together, it makes it a really cool video. If you've watched our videos, I think they've really gotten a lot better with me throwing some of this stuff in there instead of just William standing in front of a camera talking all the time, or in his truck driving down the road talking. Throwing this in there, it's our way of trying to keep you interested in the videos, or at least get you to watch it a little longer. So let's see what else we got here. Follow. We already done follow.
Orbit.
I think I did orbit. You can do it different heights.
Bird eye.
Let's see what bird. I think I did bird eye, but let's see if we can do
50 feet. Bird eye.
Let's try 50 feet bird eye.
50 feet. Bird eye.
Okay, I'm gonna turn this thing around this time, and you can get the effect. It's 50 feet in the air. And the whole time, our other camera's right here doing a time lapse, or I'll have it just recording me the whole time. So I have both cameras so I can play with it and give it some more effects in the videos. But is this awesome or what? I mean, on sale on Amazon right now for $299. I know I paid a lot more than that. For some reason, every time I buy this stuff, I end up paying the full price. And then I bring it out to you guys and it's always a lot cheaper. And there she is, and okay. And that's how it is. Okay, I think that's pretty much all you need to know. And you can hold the button down, power it off, and the batteries pop out just like that. I mean, this thing weighs nothing. I mean, the only weight is in the battery, and the battery's not that heavy either. I mean, this is what it is. This battery pack will keep 2 of them charged up all the time. I think you can fly like 25 minutes or so, pop it right back in. What's nice, guys, it's got this whole cage around it. So when you do bump into shit, it just drops down, you pick it back up. You know, I've bounced it off some stuff. It hasn't put a mark on it at all. Especially if this is the first time you're thinking about even messing with the drone, this is the one to buy, because you're not going to be spending $1,000, go out and fly it the first day and ruin it. Okay, let you get some experience with it. For me, it's not about flying the drone. It's about me getting the best footage for the video. So I don't need a fancy drone, even though we have one that I've been using maybe 5-10 times. Every time I take it with us to go someplace, and they say I can't have it. And I've gotten busted. So yeah, I try not to do that anymore, guys. But this one here, they just don't seem to notice it as much, probably because I don't have a big fancy controller. They don't really, even I've been in areas where they kind of frown on you flying your drone, but having this follow me and Robin walking on our little trips and stuff like that, or when we were in Italy and everything, it didn't seem to be that big of a deal. So just an idea, but let's just try it one more time. It's powered back on.
Current mode. Bird eye.
No, let's go.
Custom. Hover. Zoom out.
Let's zoom out. Let's zoom out a lot.
30 feet. Zoom out.
See, as far as it'll go, I'll see.
5 feet.
I think
Zoom
30 feet
out.
is as far as it'll zoom out.
10 feet. Zoom out.
So what you do is you click it on the button that you
20
want,
feet. Zoom
that you
out.
want to do, and then you just hold it till you get it the
30
distance you want.
feet.
Then you just
Zoom
get the
out.
distance you want. So then once you did that, then you hit the power button again, and it will do its own thing.
Zoom out.
And then I'll try a follow one more time. I'll have you guys, I'll see if it goes higher when you follow, and then I'll do a little walk around and we'll finish this video up. But just remember, it's a Hover X1. You can buy it on Amazon for $299 right now. It's usually like $350, then $319. So right now is the best time to get the best price on it. Robin will put that information in the link below. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you like what me and Robin are doing, subscribe to the channel. And see, it's back. Stick my hand under it. It tries to walk off a little bit, but it does it. And then let's just go again. Let's go.
Follow.
Okay, we'll do follow, and we'll hold it down and see how.
Close. Follow. Standard. Follow. Far. Follow.
Okay, we're going to try far follow and see what happens, guys.
Far. Follow.
Okay. We got our camera. Let's see if it follows us, right? I guess it just stays back farther. I thought maybe it'd go up higher, but I think it just stays back farther. So you can have it real close, you can have it right on top of you. But when you're doing the, you know, I can have it do it to the vehicle as I'm driving the vehicle out of the area and give it that effect of us leaving the area. So you could use that for it. All right. And remember, we made this whole video and we're still on that same battery. So let's get back over to the truck here. And then all you got to do is stop. And it'll come closer to you. And then you just stick your hand under it and you're done. So glad I found this area when I'm in Colorado to come over here and film. All right, let's go back over here. Put our nice little DJI Pocket 3 down with this nice little stand. See if it'll come over here closer to our time lapse. And I'll walk up to it. Is that cool or what? Hold the button till the little light goes off. It's off. Pop open your case just like that. It only goes in one way and I always put it in the wrong way. Pop in your case, your battery pack. It'll even hold 2 more batteries. This case is on Amazon for $29. See how small it is? Throw it in your backpack and you're ready to go. Okay, that's our review on the Hover X1. Hope you guys liked the review. And we'll be back again some other time with another review. You know that because that's what William does. And always